Nissan's SUV lineup gets a big dose of freshness with the introduction of a new Armada for 2025. The brand's largest three-row SUV shows promising advancement from before, gaining a smaller yet more powerful engine, a boldly restyled exterior, and abundant tech features. The Armada's focus remains on providing space and capability for up to 8 passengers, but it also needs to be a more worthy rival to this year's crop of full-size family haulers. Despite the many changes found on the new 2025 Nissan Armada, it's basically the same size as before. The 2025 model rides on a 121.1-inch wheelbase, identical to the outgoing models. Overall length measures 209.6 inches, compared to 208.9 inches previously. Width on the 2025 Armada is 83.3 inches, up from 79.9 inches on the old version. Height also increases, ranging from 78.0 to 78.6 inches depending on specification, taller than the previous model's 75.8 inches. The 2025 Nissan Armada has an engine that's smaller but stronger than before. In the old Armada, a 5.6-litre V8 made 400 horsepower and 413 pound-foot of torque, which was sent through a 7-speed automatic transmission to standard rear-wheel drive or available four-wheel drive. In Motor Trend testing, it propelled the Armada from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds. Now, the Armada is powered by a 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 producing 425 horsepower and 516 pound-foot. It also gains a 9-speed automatic transmission, with RWD standard and 4WD available once again. Despite the extra power, don't expect an improvement on the 0 to 60 time. In Motor Trend testing of the 2025 Infiniti QX80, which is closely related to the 2025 Armada and uses the same engine, it proved 0.5 seconds slower than the old QX80, 6.8 seconds versus 6.3.